So, guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you are also struggling to save this AutoCAD file in lower version because your colleague is an old school and he uses 2014 AutoCAD Lite, then don't worry, I've got you covered. All you have to do is head this to the file menu, then select Save As right over here. As you can see, my cursor. Then down here, when it shows the file types, here you can select any version of CAD that you want, right from 10, 7, 4, 2000 also is also here. Like anything, you can just save it. 13 works in every kind of lower version of AutoCAD. So that would be a go-to for you if your colleague is an old school. So it is just that you just need to select this over here in file types after save as, right, and just save. Go to your respective file. Yes, and that's it. You can just share to your old school colleague now and share with that old school colleague.